Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate guest network isolation for smart devices. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, access your router's web interface. Open a web browser on your computer or mobile device. In the address bar, type the router's IP address. Common addresses are 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.0.1. If unsure, check the router's manual or the label on the device. Enter your login credentials. These are usually found in the manual or on the router itself. Once logged in, navigate to the guest network section. This may be found under wireless settings or guest access. Enable the guest network feature. You should see an option to create a new guest network. Assign a name to your guest network. This name will help you identify the network for guests. Set a password for your guest network. Ensure this password is secure but easy for guests to remember. Look for an option labeled Guest Network Isolation or Access Control. Enable the Guest Network Isolation feature. This helps prevent guest devices from communicating with your main network. Save your changes and apply the settings. Your router may need a moment to reboot. After the reboot, your guest network will be active. Test the network by connecting a smart device. Ensure the smart device can access the internet. Verify that it cannot see devices on the main network. You have successfully activated guest network isolation for smart devices. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.